Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to see how to access the REST API in ServiceNow platform. So if you are working on ServiceNow and if you are creating some tables and all, or if you are using the tables which are by default created by the ServiceNow platform, then you might need API for sure. Okay, so in this video we'll exactly see how the API will be looking like and what are all the different operations which we can perform with the help of API, and also in which language we can write the code for these things. Is it available in Python, JavaScript, Perl, Ruby, or some custom language? Okay, so all the information we will be gathering in this video. But before this, if you're curious about ServiceNow, we have already uploaded lot of stuff on that. So starting from the basics to the advanced things are already uploaded, so you can check out the playlist which will be in the description. Okay. All right, so with that said, let's move on to the today's tutorial where we'll be looking into the REST API. So first of all, APIs will be available on the tables. So you will be having a fair idea on what tables are in the service now. So basically it's like these are the places where we'll be storing the data. Okay, so that is table basically. So I will just search it here like tables. I have custom tables. I will just create some. I already created a lot of tables and I will just open some of the tables from there. So I will select tables over here, and it says option for search. I will click on search here, and I have created a table called ABC recently. Okay, I'll search for that. So I'll see if it is available. Yes, it is available, and I will select that table. Okay, so once I select in this table, there is nothing much, just one record I have added, and some user defined columns are there like name and the phone number. After that, there are a lot of options which are already explained like what these are, so you can see the video. But below you can see option called explore REST API. So for this table, so table is having data, right? So in order to access that data, so I can just show you that data as well. If I click on show list, then you can see the data, and there is one record. In fact, I will just add some other record as well. So phone number, I'll just give some random number. Name, uh, Datta I will give, and I will submit. Okay, so I have added another one. Then you can see for Akash, I will show you what is the information, some number and the name. Okay, so either you can delete this or you can keep it. All right, so this is like, I have shown you the data is present in the table. Okay, so once the data is present, you want to access this data with the help of API. So how to do that one? Okay, so that is quite simple over here. So you just need to click on this explore REST API, and now the API will be created for this particular table. Note that in ServiceNow, for every table there will be one API created. So you can, if you are having the right credentials and the right ownership, then you can access the API, or you can consume that API and access all the data which is present. Not only you can access, you can get access the data, you can post the data, you can delete something, or you can do some modifications, that is patching you can do. So everything is possible. So there are quite a lot of options. So if you see this interface, you can see here table API allows you to perform create, read, update and delete CRUD operations on the existing tables. Okay, and after that retrieve records from a table. So this is the URI. Okay, and here you will be having your instance name, and after that you need to just change this one. So table name, in my case the table name is ABC. So you can see here ABC u underscore ABC, in the sense it is created by the user, right? After that there will be like system parameter, query, system display value. So all those things are present, but that are not necessary for us. So that's why, if you are going for the other things, you can see this, and for now it's just an intro, so that's why I'm not going into those details for now. Okay, so add a header and a request format. So in which format you want the data to be, like whenever you are requesting, either you want the XML file or you want JSON or something like that. So application or JSON here we are expecting, then application or XML, text or XML, you can select any of these things. Okay, so if you select text and XML, you will be getting the data in text or XML only. So normally people prefer JSON, like it's popularly used for transferring the data between two entities. Okay, so response format, the response which you will be getting is also the JSON authorization send as me. Okay, after that, if you just click on this send, then it will be sending the data. All right, so if you want some sample codes which you can use in the third-party applications, then they are also providing. For example, if you see a Python code for this one, see, they are already creating a beautiful code for you. You just need to do the changes here, the URI. After that, give the right credentials. For example, user admin, password admin they have given. Replace this with the actual username and password here. Then you have to set the headers. After that, do the HTTP request. In this one, check for the HTTP codes other than 200. So 200 is basically correct. Okay, if it is hitting properly or the response is getting back from the API, then it is 200. If it is something other than 200, that means either the API is down or the server is down or something is erroneous. Okay, so something is not right. Alright, so after that, decode the JSON response. So data response.json and print the data. So you'll be printing the JSON. After that, further you can do dot notation, or you can go with the help of bracket notation, and you can get the required information with whatever your application is. Okay, so that is about the Python code. If you want JavaScript code, you can just click on this one, and here we go. So there is a JavaScript code. So everything is possible here, and you can create a record. So if you just create a record, then it will show you this interface where you can create a record, add a field. So there is a builder, or if you want to go raw, then there is a raw. So you can just create something over here. Okay, so these are a lot of operations which you can perform on that, and in upcoming videos I'll be showing you how to do these things practically, how to create the records, how to post, how to get, so how to use it in the third-party application and everything. So please do subscribe the channel, because you will be getting this type of interesting stuffs every day. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.